Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have a quick, cute little Valentine's gift you can make for your favorite couple. It's a little boy and a girl, and he's sending her his love. So it's a quick little thing you can cut out on your Cricut. I'm going to show you how I did it, and then we're just going to put them on the mugs. Okay, I'm going to use a file from Creative Fabrica. I have a subscription to them. They have some great images and SVGs. So we're just going to browse. I've already downloaded it to my computer, so it's going to bring it up. Okay, and there it is, and we're just going to click Save, and that puts it in our library, and then we're going to click on it and import it to Design Space. And it's a pretty big file, so we're just going to make it a little smaller. We're going to make it 4 inches high. That's about the height of my cup. So, and when we do that, it automatically adjusts the width of it. Now this is all grouped together, so you could cut it as one image if we want to do it all one color, but I want to do it 2 different colors. So I'm going to ungroup it and move the hearts out. And then I'm going to attach them so they'll stay in that formation. If you don't do attach, then it puts them all in a straight line, and that would not be easy to put on our cup. So we got everything done. Now we're going to click on Make It. I was just double checking my height to make sure I have the right height. So you have the little boy and girl on the black, and then we'll check our hearts on the red, and see they're still in the formation, and we can click Continue, and it's going to connect to our Cricut. Okay, and then we're going to set our material. We're going to browse all materials, and then we're going to go to the category Vinyl. There's all different kind of vinyls, but we're just going to use regular, just plain vinyl. I think it's Oracle 651, so you can wash these. I would wash the cups by hand. I wouldn't put them in the dishwasher. Okay, and select that, and then I usually put more pressure on mine, and we're going to... Okay, so we've got that all weeded out, and now we just have to divide up our hearts. We want some of the hearts for the girl and some of the hearts for the boy. Okay, and now we have our 2 mugs. And before I do anything, I'm just going to wipe the outside of the mugs with a little bit of alcohol. That'll get off any kind of oils or residues or fingerprints, anything on there, and it dries really quick. So we're just going to clean the mug. We'll clean our other mug. Just use our towel to set our mug on. Okay, so I'm going to do our little guy first. We're going to get a piece of transfer tape. This is some transfer tape that I got through a company that we use at my work. It is super sticky, so... And with any transfer tape, if you don't want it to be super sticky, like this is really thin, I'm just going to take it and press it to my shirt a little bit and get some lint, or you can put a paper towel on it to make it not quite so sticky. That way it'll release onto our cup. Okay, so now we're going to move my cup up here so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take my little boy, put the transfer tape, squeegee him down, and then we're going to pull him up, and we're going to put him on our mug. Squeegee him down. And now fingers crossed. Alright, good deal. Okay, so now we're going to do his hearts. So we're going to use that same piece of transfer tape. Squeegee it down. And then we want to position this so that this topmost heart looks like it's coming right out of his lips. He's blowing it to his love. Or was it? Yeah, that one. Just like that. Okay, so we got him done. Now we're going to do our little girly. Let's set my look up. So we want to be, okay. Take down on our little girly. We're going to do her hearts. And if you look right here on her chest, there her arm stops and the bag starts. We're going to put a heart right in that little space. And you can always refer back to your image that you downloaded to see exactly where they're supposed to go. But there. I think I lost a heart, y'all. Look back. Nope, I got them all. No, I did lose one. I missed one, y'all, when I weeded it, so we're going to put one right in her bag. Okay. So, there we have our his and her mugs for Valentine's Day. Okay, y'all, that's it. You got a cute little couple you want to give something to. This is real quick and easy, and I would hand wash these. I wouldn't put these in the dishwasher. This you can also do this with iron-on HTV heat transfer vinyl. You can put it onto a pillowcase. I think that's what originally it was meant for, but anyway, you can find this image at Creative Fabrica. If you have, I think you have to have a membership to get it, but I think it turned out really cute, and it costs $2 and one sheet of vinyl, so $3 for this great gift. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.